Well, good morning everybody. It's a fantastic morning. It's been an early one. I've been up since 3 a.m. but today is Farmer Brown's tractor rally that I'm going to be participating in. So yeah, let's get cracking. Oh, I did clean it, I promise. Did clean it, but well, it got used yesterday. So here we are. Nice and early, it's always good. That's me. That's it, chains are on, we mean business. You alright? Got a good turnout this year, haven't we?
Yeah, I think we had about 90 last year. They did, yeah. So I don't know whether it's going to change it with bringing it forward instead of October.
I think should do, shouldn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Are you the mayor then?
Yeah, Mayor of Skegness.
Hey, of Skegness.
Yes.
Blimey. Yeah.
Couldn't miss this opportunity.
Yeah, very good.
Well, the thing is, my objective is trying to promote, people that are often forgot about, like the carers, health and social care practitioners, sure. But equally farmers and agri workers.
Yeah, of course.
Across the field that's in front of us, basically heading up towards Academy and working their way almost across.
Well, yeah, I can't believe that I bumped into Andy's Man Club here at Farmer Brown's show, well, tractor run. And yeah, do you want to just introduce yourself and what Andy's Man Club's all about? Because we've got a branch in Skegness.
Right, I'm Ian. I'm one of the facilitators at Andy's Man. And what we do on a Monday night between 7 o'clock and 9 is we talk. Pretty basically, yeah. There's 4 things that are off the subject. We don't talk about religion, we don't talk about politics, we don't talk about medical records or anything to do with criminal or anything to do with religion. And it's as simple as that.
And anything else goes pretty much. I think suicide in men is one of the biggest challenges, and this is why the tractor run, I know it's not directly associated, but community well-being, getting outside, we need to carry on talking, and this is why I'm really happy to have been invited today for this. So yeah, let's continue the good work, gentlemen.
And thank you very much for your time.
Thank you. We're about ready to depart. Everybody's starting and getting ready. Hey, quality, great atmosphere today. There we go. Once again, I can't commentate whilst I'm on the road because I've got nothing to hold, nothing to mount. So I'll see you soon. I wasn't quite expecting this amount of off-roading. It's nice big convoy. Oh, watch these dikes. It's nice and steady. Lovely. So looks like we're going cross country across fields, which is always good. And the weather's perfect. highway, better put it down. Highway, looks like we're going through a nice field of wheat. Look at those views in the distance. The sights of Lincolnshire, as never seen before, still going. It's like your own Lincolnshire safari, this is. Well, let's up the pace a bit. There we go. Got one breakdown that I know of, but there's probably more breakdowns, to be honest. Not long to go now. Well, that's it. We've finished. Everybody's arrived. We had a few breakdowns, but nothing untoward. I think it was just over 100 participants in this one. My chains are off. It's time to go home. Let's have a look. So many members of the public here today. Here we all are. It was a bit bumpy in parts, that's for sure. Your own private tour of rural Lincolnshire. Fantastic. Take care.